Another drone packed with explosive was shot down just outside Erbil International Airport early Monday morning, and now it's sending shockwaves through the region. Now, this wasn't just any airport. This was a high security area in northern Iraq that also hosts a United States military base, part of the coalition fighting terrorist group like ISIS. This particular thing marks the second drone attack near the same location just this particular month. Somebody is clearly testing the limits or maybe preparing for something bigger. According to their counter-terrorism agency, the drone was intercepted and destroyed at 2:20 a.m. local time. Thankfully, nobody was hurt and there was no damage that was reported. But make no mistakes, this is a serious message. Drones are cheap, hard to detect and deadly. Now they have become the modern day weapon of choice for militants and terror groups that want to strike from the shadows. Now, let's talk about why Erbil really matters. This isn't just a local airport, it's home to American and allied troops. Over the years, it has been hit multiple times by both rockets and drones, specifically when tensions flared up between the United States and Iran-backed militants operating in Iraq. In fact, drones warfare has become a regular tool used by these armed groups to target American interests in the region without starting a full-scale war. This latest incident comes at a time when the US presence in Iraq is under renewed pressure. Many Iranian-backed factions want the US out completely. Some have even vowed revenge for past events, like the killing of Iranian General Qasem in 2020. Since then, they have used everything, from roadside bombs to counterattacks and increasingly drones, and that too just to push them back. And here's the dangerous part. These drones are getting more advanced every single day. Some are guided with GPS, many carry bombs, and some are really hard to shoot down. Imagine flying bombs the size of a suitcase. That's what these are. And they are really harder and harder to detect. Erbil is a symbol of United States power and partnership with the Kurds in northern Iraq. Hitting it is not just about military targets, it is psychological warfare. It says we can reach you even inside your safe zone. While nobody has taken any responsibility yet, fingers are already pointing towards Iran-backed militants. Well, talking about the US, then they have responded cautiously in the past, launching occasional airstrikes when its troops are targeted, but not escalating into full conflict. Still, every new drone attack raises a serious risk. You know what the bottom line is? This isn't just another failed drone attack, it's part of a growing shadow war playing out across the Middle East. The message from the attackers is loud and clear. United States troops are still being watched, still being targeted, and the fight is far from over.